Hey everyone, we're from Fair Deal Home Buyers, right here in Wisconsin. It's that time of year again, tax season. And if you're a homeowner planning to sell your house soon, you might be thinking, what should I do with my refund check? A new roof, that kitchen upgrade I've wanted, that will surely help me sell for more, right? Well, as your friendly local real estate expert, I have a counterintuitive piece of advice for you. Don't do it. The truth is, using your tax refund or your savings on a house you're about to leave can be a financial trap. It often gives you a negative return on your investment, meaning you are literally losing money to try and sell your home for more. We all see those TV shows that make renovations seem like they instantly double a home's value. But in the real world, the data paints a different picture. According to annual reports, many common upgrades don't recoup their full cost. A minor kitchen remodel might only return about 70%. So you spend $10,000, you increase your home's value by $7,000, you are out $3,000. And that's just the value added. It doesn't even factor in the true total cost of a traditional sale. When you work with a traditional agent, you pay a commission based on your final sale price, typically 5 to 6%. On that $7,000 increase, that's another $420 you pay in commission. Your total investment is now over $10,000, but your net gain is much lower. You're better off putting that refund in savings. And don't forget the non-financial costs: the time, the contractors, the dust, and the noise of managing a renovation. Why put yourself through that when the numbers show you're likely losing money? There is a simpler way. This is where we come in. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we're local Wisconsin experts with over a decade of experience. We buy your house as is. No repairs, no cleaning, no staging, and no open houses, any condition, any situation. We make you a fair cash offer, and we can close in as little as a few days depending on your timeline. The biggest benefit? You keep that tax refund in your pocket for your next chapter, like a down payment or a vacation. This tax season, don't waste your refund on a house you're ready to leave. Get a fair deal and a clean slate. We've helped hundreds of homeowners in Wisconsin in all kinds of situations. Let us help you too. Click the link or visit our website to get your fast, no-obligation cash offer. Keep that cash in your pocket. Talk soon.